Stand over there.
What's
Excuse
up?
me.
What's
No,
up?
no. Shh. Look at. Go give him a hug. Give him a hug. That's cool, huh? See what else they have.
So today we have Halloween.
See all the costumes?
So today we have the Spirit Halloween the first time.
Not the first time. Look what they got.
Oh,
They
yeah.
got superheroes.
Ooh, there's Batman.
Batman. Those are for baby stuff. Look at they got Buzz Lightyear.
Oh yeah. This is the coolest store ever.
Paw Patrol. These are baby stuff. The fun house over there. It's Jaws.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Go in that one right there.
Oh yeah. Even Spirit Halloween has a channel, so go check that out. It's called Spirit Halloween. It's where they have the new stuff.
Look, go in there.
Wow! I thought this is a little TV.
Look.
Oh my god.
Jaws. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god, the screen is cracked.
It's a shark.
Oh my god, there's like more over here. Oh my god, there's looking for
See?
Oh, this is a pretty nice place.
Look, they got Mario.
This is what I have. Oh.
That's cool. Look what they got.
Oh yeah. Oh look, there's a Mario.
Hat. Yep. Let's go this way.
Hey, there's a Minecraft mess.
That's cool. It's Minecraft. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is the mask section.
Let's go to the masks. Look at there. There's Uncle Bobby with a mustache. Look.
Oh yeah.
The nun.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so scary.
It's werewolf. Look at the werewolves.
Oh, that's freaky. Hey,
Deadly
look.
panda.
Hey, look. Big
Big
scissors.
scissors. Look at there's Michael. Michael Myers.
Oh yeah, Michael Myers. Oh, hold on. You put this. Look up there and try this mess on to see. Put it on like this.
Put it down a little bit. There you go. Look at me.
Michael Myers.
Okay, put it back. Oh, there's a Chucky mask.
Oh yeah, there's a Chucky mask. Oh look, there's a hacker mask. Look, there's a hacker mask.
That's anonymous.
Yeah.
There's werewolf.
Yeah.
Look at there's some more over here.
Yeah.
Clowns. There's a chicken.
Oh look, there's a shark also. Shark. Scary.
Hey, they have a Donald Trump. Look at the Donald.
Look at this.
They have Obama.
He's like this. Hey, this is the hat section.
Hat sections.
Oh look.
Hey, there's a crown.
Oh yeah. Hello, I'm the king. You can give me whatever you want. It's so funny. Okay, stop.
What else? They have some glasses. They have some makeup. Over here. They got some of these designs. some stockings.
Hey, look, wait. Whoa. I like this spirit Halloween. So this is the spirit Halloween over in Arizona. That's right here. But anyways. Hey, look. Bunny glasses. So cute.
Little fairy stuff.
Oh my God! This is what people
Little devils.
yeah. And they need that. Okay, so this way, please. Here you go. This way. Wow. There's so many steps that I don't know where to go next.
Look at there's a pirate.
Oh yeah.
Pirate sword.
On Mickey! Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Let's go back here. Medieval. We have medieval. Cleopatra. Look at this for a snake head.
Oh my God! Oof, stink.
Look at
Hey, look, pirates!
some more pirates.
Oh, look, there's more swords. There's two.
It's medieval time. Go this way.
Look, there's a bat. Ooh, thank you with the ball. Ooh, I got the ball.
Come on, let's go this way.
Okay. Let's go this way. Oh, look! I think this is Five Nights at Freddy's friend.
That's looks like the coyote. They got Ninja Turtles.
Look, there's like a tag that says from
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yeah. Pretty
We
scary.
got
right?
Looney Tunes. They got Minions over here.
Go check
Look at the
that-
Minions.
Go check that out. Ooh, yeah. Shared.
Look at the big Minion over there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at they got Gru
Is this the one?
in the back. See that says Gru?
Oh, yeah. This one.
It's Gru. Yeah. Then there's
oh,
a
look
hat.
at this. It's like this.
Look, they even got goggles right here. Look, see glasses.
Oh, yeah. Boo don't need that.
Oh, you got the hat.
Yeah.
Look at thing 1 and thing 2.
Hey, look. There's the crayons. See the crayons.
Got crayons.
Oh, I found the hearts. I have the heart.
That's for Alice in Wonderland. The Queen of Hearts.
Heart, yeah.
Look at Mario Brothers.
Look.
Woody. Look, they got Mario Brothers over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look, here's Joker. Here's Joker.
The Joker.
Oh my God, he looks so very scary.
There's some more Michael Myers over here. Some scarier. Look at
What?
the Ghostbusters.
Oh,
How cool. Look at the Ghostbuster packs.
oh, look, a giant key.
To the city, yeah.
So there's a giant hole. You could like dig him out. If
What
you-
are these?
Oh yeah! Oh my God!
Notice they don't work. You got the goggles.
Oh my God! There's werewolves mask.
Harry Potter stuff.
Oh my God!
That's Michael Myers. Look, you've got It. You got It over there.
Where?
Remember the movie It?
Oh yeah!
You got It the Clown.
Got the let's go on this side. Oh, here's so this section here is the Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th, see?
Yeah, it's Friday the
Let me
13th.
put this mask out and I'm gonna put it
With
on.
Jason. Yeah.
My name is Jason.
Gotta see where
I don't know.
Camp Crystal Lake. What else?
Oh, look! Shoot, I think
That's his thing.
Yeah, that.
Hey, there's a Chucky one.
Yeah,
That's cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So this one.
Look at that.
So I think oh my god, yeah, I never seen a knife like that before.
It's
So
cool.
this kind of costume is related from Child's Play 2. So that's kind of cool.
Look at that.
And here's
Jason.
the real one.
That's from Jason.
It's from Jason the Friday the 13th. So I'm gonna put this here.
What else is there? There's top hatters. There's vampires.
Look, I have a new hat. Ooh. Oh my god.
Look at that werewolf.
Oh my god, yeah. This is what I've been telling you.
Black horns.
Oh my god. Here's the Freddy one.
That's Freddy. Hey, look at those claws down there.
Oh yeah.
Those ones are cooler than these ones.
Shoot, I've never seen these things before.
Those are cool claws, huh?
Shoot, wow. I didn't know that. So that's related.
We got the mask right here.
Oh look, there's Freddy's.
Nightmare on Elm Street hat.
No.
Here's the makeup
Oh yeah.
to do your face like this.
Yeah. My friend needs to do that too. So
You got the socks.
hang it up like this.
Stranger Things. Dolls. Hey.
Hey, what?
Some glasses.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, baby, bad baby.
What's over on that side?
This
Over that way.
Where? This side?
Over there, see what the...
This way? Wait, this one?
What's all this stuff in here? Look, fog. Yeah,
Oh,
The fog stuff.
Yeah. I never seen that.
pumpkin fog. Black light.
Oh, yeah.
Strobe lights.
Oh, look. Have you seen this?
That's a dummy.
Yeah.
It's cool. Look at that one.
Yeah. Oh, look. Scary pumpkin is coming for you.
Mm-hmm. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's a peekaboo bear.
Oh my god, it's so scary.
Work? Oh, they're not working.
Even this TV doesn't work.
Terror TV.
TV.
That's cool. Try me.
Oh look! Here is this hand.
Yeah, that's like
What?
Adam's family.
Oh yeah. Hey look!
Look at these.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All the clowns.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This one is the one over there.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, look how telepathy.
Yeah. What's that over here?
Oh my god!
Release me now, and I'll kill you last.
Push it again. Yeah.
This isn't fair. They only locked me here because they're jealous of my beauty.
Again.
Set me free. I swear I'm innocent. Is this the face of a lion?
What else is here? That's cool. Huh?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this!
Yeah, look at these ones.
He's so tear up! Ah!
There's ghosts.
Oh my gosh, guys. Even this is. Oh my god! Look at this in his head! He's dead now.
Let's see.
Nothing over this side. Is it on the side? Oh. Wait.
Terror. Zombies. There's zombies on this side?
Oh my god! Look, eyeballs! I've never seen that. Oh, lots of crowns.
Try the bottom one. Nope, they don't. Come on.
They don't.
Please, come on.
Oh my god. Let's go on this way. Let's come on this way. Oh, spider.
Spiders.
Oh, look at this.
Kitties. Evil kitties. Come here. Here's another one.
Hey, look, there's even a bad baby. Hey, there's even a haunted baby. Ooh, he's super
Ooh. Get back.
haunted. Yeah.
Here's some hands right here. Feet. Brains. Oh, look at the Chucky.
Yeah, that's his wife. His name is Tiffany, Mom.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah? This is one named Tiffany.
Plastic is no substitute for a nice hunk of wood.
That's cool.
Oh my God.
Look at these babies.
Lots of babies here. And Michael Myers.
He got a wig on. And go back to the shark thing.
So yeah.
Go back and look
Oh
at
look, there's a frog. There's a.
the Freddy pillow. Let's go back in the shark.
Well, somebody's already dead now. Oh look, it says Spirit Halloween over here. It's so loud. It's so loud here. It's so good.
See? Look at the stingray. Look.
Yeah, stingray, what's that?
That's a stingray fish.
Yeah,
See?
yeah, that's the one.
Look at these ones.
Ah, yeah, I know.
Oh, there's the tail of a shark.
Oh my God.
Look at this one. Some fishies here. What about over here? Looks like he's coming. Let's see right here if he's gonna come shoot him. I want to see that shark coming. Where's the shark? I see the shark. See, there's a shark right there coming.
The shark is coming. He is
Let's see if he's coming over here.
That's how. I'm not part when I said friggin'. He came. That's a fart. Okay. There's this girl kid.
Everybody has good childhood memories of carnival. Follow
This is cool. Oh, kitties. Meow. Oh, books.
Those spell books. These turn on, see?
Turn on. Oh yeah, they're like Christmas lights. Oh, look at this. Oh. Look at this girl.
Halloween time. That's cool. Oh, look at this one.
Oh yeah.
See?
Ooh yeah.
Glasses.
And a haunted book.
It's got spells. Look at it. It's got hocus pocus.
Oh, don't touch it, you're gonna break it.
Yeah.
Oh look, here's a jumping spider. Have you remember that one last time, like a few years ago, we came here and then we saw the men's.
This is cool, huh?
Yeah, so cool.
Let me see the scary. That's cool.
You there.
Uh-oh. He's talking to you. She's talking to you. Hey, get you. That's cool.